Today, we review the best acoustic guitars under $100 that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list.
Number 1.
Yamaha Guitarlele. This guitar is oddly designed. It plays like a guitar but is almost the same size as a baritone ukulele. For a ukulele player trying to get into the guitar world, this might be a fresh breath of air and an opportunity to slowly shift over into larger instruments.
Number 2.
Oscar Schmidt OG1 TRAU Acoustic Guitar. An attractively colored design to make people really look at your guitar strumming. This red finished guitar reflects the guitarist that holds it. Fierce, bold, and attractive. An eye-catcher that, oddly enough, you can hear very well.
Number 3.
Strong Wind Classical Guitar Beginner Kit. Much smaller than a regular guitar, this guitar prides itself on being beginner-friendly. At half the size of a regular guitar, this guitar is easily playable for most people, especially people with a much lower reach like young teenagers.
Number 4.
Strong Wind 30-inch Acoustic Guitar. This guitar is a smaller version of the small version mentioned above. While number 3 on our list was a 41-inch long guitar, this one is a 30-inch long guitar.
Number 5.
Acoustic Guitar Folk Guitar Mahogany Wood Beginner. 6 inches longer than number 4 on our list, this guitar prides itself on being beginner-friendly too. It uses materials such as zinc alloy that pads the entire guitar, making it scratch-resistant.